Good afternoon. I'm Sergeant De Los Santos. I'd like to show you the new Columbus Air Force Base Welcome Center. Come on in. This is designed to be a one-stop shop for in-processing airmen and their families to welcome them to Columbus Air Force Base. You'll first check in at the check-in desk over here. Behind me is a children's play area that your children can utilize.
Hi, welcome. My name is Airman Nash, and I'm from Military Personnel Flight, and I process active duty members in MilPDS.
Hello, my name is Airman Frazier, and in this room you'll find a TMO representative helping airmen and family with PCS concerns to include claims, DITY moves, and household goods.
Hello and welcome. My name is Airman Himes, and in here there will be a housing representative to answer any and all of your off-base, on-base, and dorm living questions.
Hello, my name is Miss Mary Watson. I will be in processing for the 14 Medical Group. All medical concerns will be addressed along with TRICARE benefits briefing, health promotions, appointments, and also EF&P concerns.
Hi, I'm Airman George from the Finance Office, and here we'll go over your PCS entitlements as well as your PPM paperwork.